The world's most watched non-English film of 2026 isn't from Korea, Spain, or even the US. It's an Indian film. A film that rewrote box office history and is now rewriting streaming history too. That's right, months after creating records in theaters, Ranveer Singh's Dhurandhar has earned its biggest global recognition yet. According to Netflix co-CEO Ted Sarandos, it's the most watched non-English film in the world in 2026. But that's just the beginning. From record-breaking numbers to peak detailing that became a viral phenomenon and a fresh controversy in India. Here's why Dhurandhar is still making headlines. Ranveer Singh's starrer Dhurandhar has added yet another milestone to its already historic journey. After rewriting box office records, the Aditya Dhar directorial has now earned global recognition. During his India visit, Netflix co-CEO Ted Sarandos revealed that Dhurandhar is officially the most watched non-English film in the world in 2026. Sharing the film's extraordinary performance, Ted said, and we quote, "Dhurandhar was the most watched non-English film in the world this year, bigger than every other English film and second only to the US and the UK in terms of watching." Calling India's rise on the global entertainment map inevitable, Ted added that Indian cinema is already having its defining global moment. The numbers back that claim. Between January and June 2026 alone, the first Dhurandhar clocked an impressive 37 million views on Netflix. It also topped Netflix's charts in 22 countries, making it one of the platform's biggest international success stories. And that's just one chapter of its journey. Directed by Aditya Dhar, the Dhurandhar franchise has now crossed 3,100 crore rupees at the worldwide box office, becoming the first Indian film franchise ever to enter the 3,000 crore club. Its sequel, Dhurandhar The Revenge, also scripted history by becoming the first Bollywood film to cross 1,000 crore net in India. Both Dhurandhar and Dhurandhar The Revenge individually crossed the 1,000 crore mark worldwide. The sequel also recorded the highest opening day ever for a Hindi film, collecting 102.5 crore rupees on day one. The first film released in theaters in December 2025 before arriving on Netflix shortly ahead of the sequel's theatrical release in March 2026. Today, both films are available to stream on Netflix and Jio Hotstar. During the same interaction, Ted Sarandos also addressed a question that frequently comes up whenever Indian entertainment is discussed globally. When will India get its own Squid Game or Money Heist? Ted's answer was simple. According to him, India already has those moments. He explained that unlike many countries where television creates global cultural phenomena, India's biggest global stories are more likely to come through cinema because of its rich filmmaking legacy. He recalled how Sacred Games transformed streaming content in India, but he added that the country's next global breakthrough is just as likely to emerge from films. And according to Ted, Dhurandhar is proof of exactly that. Meanwhile, another aspect of Dhurandhar has become a phenomenon of its own. Its now famous peak detailing. From hidden visual clues to layered storytelling to blink and miss references, fans flooded social media with memes praising director Aditya Dhar's extraordinary attention to detail. Now actor R. Madhavan, who plays Intelligence Bureau Director Ajay Sanyal, a character widely believed to be loosely inspired by National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, has reacted to the trend. In an interview, Madhavan revealed that he had heard Aditya Dhar reportedly spent an additional 10 crore rupees just on enhancing the film's intricate detailing. Before the film's release, he admitted he wondered whether audiences would even notice those tiny details. But after witnessing Dhurandhar's unprecedented success, his perspective completely changed. According to Madhavan, audiences today are far more intelligent than filmmakers often give them credit for. He said the film proved that when the intent is honest, viewers understand subtle hints and layered storytelling without everything needing to be explained. For him, that became one of the biggest lessons from Dhurandhar's success. Now, if you jog your memory, director Aditya Dhar had also reacted to the overwhelming appreciation for the film's detailing back then. In a heartfelt birthday post on X, the filmmaker thanked fans for their messages, stories, and the countless peak detailing by Aditya Dhar memes. Calling every film a leap of faith, the filmmaker said audience trust is something he never takes for granted. He also encouraged aspiring dreamers to continue believing in their vision, saying that if one works with honesty and gives everything to their craft, the universe eventually responds. But now, even as the applause continues, and amid all the records that Dhurandhar is still breaking and making global history, the blockbuster seems to have landed in a fresh controversy. According to a report by the Times of India, the A-rated Dhurandhar was allegedly screened for students at a government higher secondary school in Maihar district of Madhya Pradesh. A video claimed to be from the incident soon went viral. The footage reportedly showed students watching the film on an LED smart classroom screen installed under a government education initiative. A guest teacher was also allegedly present during the screening. Following the incident, villagers lodged a formal complaint through the CM helpline, questioning why an A-certified commercial film was shown inside a government classroom instead of educational content. District Education Officer confirmed to the Times of India that an inquiry has been ordered. She stated that strict disciplinary action would be taken against anyone found responsible if the allegations are found to be true. For those unfamiliar, Dhurandhar stars Ranveer Singh as Hamza alongside R. Madhavan, Arjun Rampal, Sanjay Dutt, Sara Arjun and Rakesh Bedi in pivotal roles. The franchise has been backed by Aditya Dhar, Jyoti Deshpande and Lokesh Dhar under Jio Studios and B62 Studios. From becoming India's first 3,000 crore film franchise to conquering Netflix globally, earning praise from Netflix co-CEO Ted Sarandos, inspiring endless discussions around peak detailing, and even finding itself at the center of controversy, Dhurandhar continues to prove that its impact extends far beyond the box office. For more news and updates from the world of showbiz, stay tuned to Times Entertainment.